Lisa Mame. She is teaching mathematics subject and also the head of the statistics department, university-wide. Ma'am Annalisa Manalo, teaching accounting and finance subject. Yan. Mr. Nicky Boy Manalo, teaching higher marketing subject and the OGP coordinator. Ma'am Irene Marali, teaching research in higher marketing subject and the head of Mabay Research University-wide. We also have Mr. Edgar Mendoza, teaching higher economics. Ma'am Lorena Mendoza, okay, teaching language subject and the cultural affairs coordinator. Okay. Another, Mr. Gemma Perez, the research and higher eco and the research coordinator of the department. We also have Marlon Perez, teaching management subject. Mami Noveva Ramos, teaching mathematics subject. Sir Jason Reyes, teaching computer, finance, and the JMS.
Buti tayo walang computer, ano? Buti tayo walang computer.
We also have Sir Ines Color, teaching finance and economics subject. We also have faculty members, Mr. Rene Andal, teaching management subject. We also have Mary Modest Abarte, teaching management subject, at may part-time po tayo, si Mr. Joseph Mendoza. Siya po ay sa accounting office din. Yan. Yan po ang faculty members ng Business and Economics Department. Magiging teacher din sila in your 4 stay sa department. Thank you very much. Okay, so thank you.